Welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to delete category on YNAB. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, go ahead and open the YNAB application from your app drawer. Soon after you open up the application from the main home page, go ahead and tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner. Right where it says Edit Categories, you can go ahead and find the category you no longer need. To delete a category, tap on the minus option right next to the category and click on Select Category in the pop-up. Choose the category you'd like to delete from the options and select Delete. And that is how you will be able to delete a category on YNAB, or you need a budget. Remember that deleting a category will also delete any associated transaction within that category, so be sure you won't need that information before proceeding. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.